So supposed to be kanang day 2. There you go. So taod ko naka-upload aning day 2 kay murag busy and walay time and busy and daghang excuses. Bitaw, so supposedly kaning day 2 kay marketing talk me but dugay mi nakamata. So what happened was naginahinay na lamig anang suroy around the area. So imbes mo adto mi sa kanang marketing talk for sa tong orasa kalimot ko, we decided na so we'll just go and check the resort out and suroy. So mo ni siyang hitabo. Nothing really over except for ang pagkaon, ang noipi, ang usok, good food, Filipino food. It's not the kanang it's good. It's fine. It's not the usual Pinoy food nga i-check ni mga to murag kalendarya and tanawa lang ninyo na ang kadiyot am sa clip ato but yeah, it's not like the usual Filipino store sa diri sa Australia nga murag kalendarya nga takos ba. It's they try to cook it ang imong food or try to prepare it. So mo say problema usahay kanang dugay nila ma-serve nya gamay ra sa ilang crew. So murag nakatpato kay na mo first time kay kulang og rice but either way, good food. Just check the video out kasi check it out. So we're out and about, and this is a small jetty up here. Good morning, guys. Say hi to Laura. So we're having cider and enchilada and some tacos. Yeah, let's do this.
Very good.
Very good enchilada, yeah? Pagod akong mag-lunch bay, so busog na. Balik sa hotel kay balik lang. Yung nakalambang rin. Ano na sa akuan, pedestrian. Which is somewhere over there. Gawas na po di bay. It's around, sa 5 p.m. Yan, bro, ikalit lang katugnaw. Yan, yan po lang tukurog akong camera. Sinsya na. Anyway, yan muna siya. Magawas na may kadili kay mamalit sa grocery. No, may helicopter.
Saan ka magulan?
Paabot ng sakyanan nga ribay. And, sa pikas na anak. Shade from, there you go. So, dali may pikas kay padong may balik na to sa South Broad Beach South. Muna siya. And we're gonna wait around 4 more minutes, which is muna siya. Yes. Muna siya. No. Tuktok kayo yawa. Mystery pack.
It says golden.
Yeah, I know. It's just yeah. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. So ngari, Filipino nga shop. Usok og Noipi. Yes. Palit ni og Biempo. Tanaw sila. Siyempre get it. Surfer's Paradise. So yeah, just got something to eat. So there you go. So apparently day 2 wala si Kay ni Tabubay. So same place. Nothing much happened and akong camera nag-focus it somewhere. Anyway, tama ko sa kami. So day 2 nothing much happened. Just did a bit of walking and then wala na mag-focus. Ano na siya? Start focusing. So may paspas king adlaw wala ni tabo na nasa ko nga rin yung same view niya ang camera kanina po si try video niya ang kaning lens ako gigamit Sigma 24 f2 tungod sa kangit-ngit mag-see siya drift of light para hala nag-drift na siya. Anyway, should be fine. I'll just end the vlog here. See you next time. Bye.